everyone, let's talk about common challenges in cutting PET bottles and how to overcome them. Cutting PET bottles may seem easy, but it comes with challenges. Uneven cuts, cracks and rough edges can be frustrating. In this video, I will show you common problems and simple solution to get perfect cuts every time. One of the biggest issue is uneven cuts, where the bottle's edges are slanted or wavy. Why does it happen? Moving the bottle too fast or too slow through the cutter and not holding the bottle steady. Solution: use a guide or markings to ensure a straight cut. Sometimes bottles crack instead of cutting cleanly. Why does it happen? The hot wire temperature is too high or too low and applying too much pressure while cutting. Solution: adjust the temperature based on the thickness of the bottle and let the hot wire do the work. No need for extra force. If your bottle edges look rough or melted, it affects the quality of your cuts. Why does it happen? The wire is too hot and burns the plastic, and moving too slow causes excess melting. Solution: set the right heat level, not too hot, not too cold, and maintain a steady speed while cutting. Ever had a bottle get stuck while cutting? This can damage both the bottle and cutter. Why does it happen? The wire is bent or worn out and the bottle is not aligned properly. Solution: check the wire condition regularly and align the bottle properly before cutting. Handling a hot wire cutter without precautions can be risky. Safety tips: wear heat resistant gloves to protect your hands. Cut in a ventilated area to avoid plastic fumes. Turn off the cutter when not in use. By avoiding these mistakes, you will get clean, precise PET bottle cuts every time. For more information, contact Pacorr.com.